Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the paper and making the first precise folds. Fold the sheet in half lengthwise and crease firmly so the dart will track straight. This creates a stable center line. Once done, unfold and make a small nose fold of about 1/2. This adds weight to the tip for better penetration. Make sure the edges align perfectly when you refold. Small misalignments amplify in flight. These first actions set the dart's balance and determine whether it flies true. Next, shape the wings and lock the aerodynamic profile in place. Fold each wing down from the center line with identical angles, then add a tiny upward dihedral to each wing. This stabilizes roll. Once both wings mirror one another, pinch and crease along the trailing edges so the airflow separates cleanly. If the nose feels light, add a small 1/8 tape reinforcement. It increases forward mass and penetration. Make sure to test gently after each tweak. Iterative adjustments hone lift versus drag. Finish by trimming and testing. Small changes matter. Trim 1-2 mm from the tail or nose to correct pitch, then perform 3 controlled throws from 3 to 5 meters, watching drift and rotation. If the dart consistently turns right, slightly increase the left wing dihedral or add a tiny weight to the left nose. If it dives, remove a sliver from the nose weight. When things go wrong, reduce changes to a single variable and retest. That way you isolate the effect and achieve consistent flight.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.